Hello! Today, I'm going to show you how to create a listing inventory for your IDX Broker featured listings using HighLevel Custom Objects and IDXaddons.com. This feature is incredibly powerful because it keeps your active listings up to date, lets you associate listings with your contacts, and allows you to fully leverage HighLevel's automation, workflows, and reporting using custom objects. Let's get started. Setting this up is very simple. In IDX Addons, go to the Apps page and look for the HighLevel Custom Objects app. If you already have an existing HighLevel connection, you'll need to reconnect your account. This is required because we need to add additional permissions to support custom objects and associations. To do this, click on Reconnect HighLevel Account. You'll be redirected to the Lead Connector Advanced Settings app, where you can remove your existing connection and connect again to HighLevel. Click on Connect HighLevel. You'll be prompted to log in, so make sure you're already signed in at app.gohighlevel.com. Once you reconnect, you'll notice two new permissions related to objects and associations. Click Next, then select the same sub-account you were using before. At this point, you can continue with the dashboard installation, or you can leave it as is. The remaining steps simply verify that all custom fields and the lead activity tracking snippet are installed. Any data that was already being tracked will remain intact. Let's go back to the HighLevel Custom Objects app. Once you're here, you'll see the sub-account we just connected. From this screen, we need to install a few components. First, we'll install the IDX Featured Listings schema. This creates a complete custom object in HighLevel specifically for managing your IDX Broker featured listings. The address will be used as the primary field and will automatically add other fields like the listing ID, status, price, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and more. Next, this section allows you to manually sync your featured listings to HighLevel, create associations with contacts, and install a button that lets you sync listings directly from inside HighLevel. So let's start by clicking Create IDX Featured Listings Schema. Once the process is complete, you'll see a success message with additional details. Now let's go to HighLevel to verify the changes. We'll reload the page and you'll notice a new menu option called Featured Listings. This is where all your active listings will be stored. Next, let's go back to IDX Addons and reload the page so the sync button becomes active. Then we'll sync our featured listings to HighLevel. After the sync completes, you'll see a success message showing how many listings were created, updated, or deleted. Finally, let's return to HighLevel and reload the page one more time. You'll now see all your listings here, along with their associated information. Now let's create a seller association to link your featured listings with your contacts. Click Create IDX Featured Listing, Contact Association, then wait for the success message. Next, go back to HighLevel and reload the page to see where this was added. Click on Manage Fields and scroll to the bottom until you see the Associations section. Here you'll find the seller association we just created. Let's add it to the table fields and adjust the order so it appears right after the address column. Then click Apply to save the changes. Now you'll see a new seller column in your listing inventory. To associate a listing with a contact, click the Edit button on a listing. In the Association section, click Associate New Contact, select the contact you want to link as the seller, and save the changes. From now on, every time you view this page, you'll see the associated contact. You can click on it to open the contact's profile. And from the Contact Details view, you'll also see all related objects. In this case, the featured listing we just associated. Currently, HighLevel supports custom objects in workflows, forms, tasks, and more, with additional features coming in future updates. Now let's make keeping your listings updated even easier by adding a Sync Listings button inside HighLevel. Please note, this feature is only available for agency accounts with access to the Custom JavaScript section. First, copy the code snippet. Then go to Agency View, click Settings. Select Company and open the White Label tab. Scroll down to the Custom JavaScript section, paste the code snippet, and save the changes. Next, return to Featured Listings and reload the page. You'll now see a Sync Listings button. Whenever you click it, your listings will automatically stay up to date, adding new listings, updating existing ones, and removing listings that are no longer active. And that's how easy it is to manage your listing inventory directly inside HighLevel. This is a free tool for all clients who have an IDX Broker account and use Realty Candy as their developer partner. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. See you in the next video.